look if you want to come and see. Okay, so, oh, I need more. You see that? Why is it wiggling? Okay, so the robot's moving down here, and what the robot's doing is it's actually wiggling back and forth along one edge of the line. So when the robot sees the dark, it's doing something, and then when it sees the light, it's doing something else. What is the robot doing anyway? That light sensor, what does the light sensor do when it sees the black line?
Goes in the same direction?
It goes in one direction. Does it turn at all? No, you think it just goes straight?
Well, until it...
Until it sees white. What does it do when it sees white?
It turns.
It turns. So what the robot is doing is very simple. It's sort of like this line you can see on the floor here in the front. The robot looks straight down and it says, I see black. And when it sees black, what does it do? It turns to the left. And then it sees white. What does it do when it sees white? It turns back until it sees dark. And then it sees dark, and what does it do? It keeps doing that. So that's what we call a loop. What we want to do first is ignore all the talking. We want to program the robot. So we have 3 computers set up over there with 3 robots. So kids, if you'd like to go sit down at a computer, we're actually going to program the robots. You can test it. We have a line here that you can test it on. So if you want to go in groups of 2 or 3, that's great.
That might work.
So what it's going to do right now is when the program first starts, it's going to run
see if you can figure out a way of making the A motor go.
Okay. Okay.
It's similar to running the same loop. Yeah. Just driving it straight on until it sees something. Oh, before the bird's like.
Oh.